Hi, have you been looking for a new coleslaw recipe? Something simple but delicious, very easy to make, very fast? Stay tuned, we've got something for you. In today's coleslaw recipe, we will be using white vinegar, mayo, lemon juice, pepper, adobo, and salt. This will be one of the easiest coleslaws you'll ever make, but also one of the tastiest. Since I'll be cooking for only two, I've used a half head of fresh cabbage. Only a half. It's more than enough for almost 2 meals for 2 people. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut this up into slices that are even. Try to keep everything uniform. I like to go down the side to start off, then turn it sideways and give it a nice rustic chop down the other side. For the dressing, we're going to use about a half cup of mayonnaise. I use Hellmann's, but you can choose any kind. Try to steer clear of Miracle Whip as it has a little more of a sweet taste and not something that goes well in coleslaw. Then we're going to add about a tablespoon of white vinegar. This is going to add that flavor that we all know so well coming from coleslaw. After that, a couple squeezes of lemon juice. Fresh is better, but when you work in my kitchen, you use what you got. Adobo, about 1 teaspoon. Give this a little shake. It's my secret ingredient. It's got all these wonderful spices. You're going to love it. Pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon, or as much as you like. Remember, everything is to taste. Now let's add a little bit of salt to bring out all the flavor and meld everything together. A pinch will do. Now let's stir it up and mix it well. Be careful, it's going to splash a little bit because of all the vinegar, but it will mix well, I promise. This spoon isn't working for me. Let me find something a little better. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Sometimes the right tool for the right job. You know what I mean? Now let's blend this sauce together. It's going to make a wonderful dressing for this great cabbage. Oh, one more thing. Add a little sugar to your mix. This definitely brings out some of the flavors that you want to see. And you know what? Sometimes it just makes things taste better. You're going to stir and incorporate everything together until it comes to a nice, smooth consistency. Sometimes you're going to splatter out a little bit, but don't worry. That's part of the fun. Now for my favorite part. Let's mix it all together. And don't forget at the end, that special, special time, the taste. Put everything in your bowl. You can use a bigger bowl than I did. As you can see, it's kind of hard to mix everything around, but you want to make sure every piece of cabbage has that lovely dressing all over it. You want to make sure every taste is going to be amazing. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Bill, Uncle Bill, where's the carrot? Well, that's something that you can choose to add in if you'd like. Unfortunately, I didn't have any in the fridge, so this is what we're making, and I promise it will taste good. This is what my wife thinks. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Thanks for watching Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe.